Welcome to Mouse Art for Kids, where we draw many things but try to draw Disney characters that you enjoy and may remember. In this video, I will show you how to draw the face of Snow White. If you are unable, have someone help you screenshot this page and print it to draw on. Or just draw 9 equally sized squares on a piece of paper. When you draw, keep your lines in each individual square as shown. Remember to slow or pause the video as needed to help you draw. If you are interested in drawing some different and possibly more challenging Disney characters, please visit my second YouTube channel called Magical Creations Disney Art. If this video brought even a second of happiness to you, I have accomplished what I set out to do. Don't ever give up on yourself or dreams. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful, creative, artful life.